Unong yalam kaseng BJP ubadeiru Menteri ke Kabinet uba AL haka pratarik naiwing. Uloong badai bensyem yakilat jing pynshitom persya eka Dhar Contruction Company ladalap baki don kiti haka kam bamsap haka bapentre yakalenti surok bakongsan hapok kajela. Nakal yang uba uloong baukwa eka sorkar kabalait naki kam bamsap. Lada ka jingwat RTI ka pensisya halor ka jingdon jongki kam bamsam nakal yang ka sorkar kata omtang ka sorkar pedeng henry ka sorkar jela ka deben syim ya ka jing penshitom persya ekibdon kiti ong uba da ka baben rap ru banakal yang ka sorkar kan syim ya la ka jongkarai hakabai deibat ka ne ka benta. Nakal yang ke JSC ka pekentup yaki nong yalam shnong jong kawar Giant Hills bat ka seng New Trap Youth Council HYC kila berten ban ujor da ka PIL syaka ying bishar Meghalaya High Court halor ke jing keno bakaladon ke kambam sap hakabai debet ke jing shna ke surok dauki amlarem jowai NH40E New NH 206 ya ka balamang da ka sorkar pedeng haduk sapulai klur tika. Kajing shna ya kene ka surok lamang da ka tenat roads transport and highway ha kajing lut ka basa pulai klur tingka ya kene ka kam la IT bat mentre sya ka Dhar Contruction Company ha ka khandai terik unai lur arajar arkuar bat kajing pentre ya kene ka surok lalak ban pendap hapok ka khat arbenai Henry arbenai hadin bala pendap ya kene ka surok la syam bakal sedang ban julor bat torno keno ka JAC kumta kene kala penlong ya ka JSC bakan dawa na ka sorkar bakan blacklist ne peringat dakyong ya ka Dhar Construction Company.
It is the RTI found proof with all the corruption practices is happening. Definitely the government, not only the central government, the state government also should take action against that. They've been proved they have any corruption practices. Proven they are in the corruption practices, then definitely, show me, then only I'll believe you. That kind of company. That's all only I know. The government will take their own way of decisions.